స్టార్ట్ సార్.
మేడం
స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్. ఓకే స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్.
My name is Bhaskar Raju, Principal of Sri Raju High School. Please welcome to IC members and CBSE Inspection Committee.
ఓకే సార్.
Please talk with my Vice Principal Anita Madam.
Good morning. I am Vice Principal of Sri Raju High School. I am Anita. This is Sri Raju High School located in Andhra Pradesh, Rayachoti, Kadapa district, and this is Suddalwadi Palli Road. And the east of this road takes us towards Kadapa, and west of this school we have a road which takes us to Madanapalli, and this is the north side, the road which takes us into the town. It is located very far from the town so that pollution free, and the students enjoy here without any sound pollutions, without any disturbances. They enjoy learning in the school. And the south side we have Hanumanji temple. He blesses us a lot for our success. Come, let us get into our school. This is our security office. Everything is guarded by over the security officers. The visitors who visits our school comes here, everything is getting recorded here. We note down everything, and even the students who leaves the school leaves with the entry pass which is provided in the security office. The data of the students, the visitors who have attended every day will be recorded here and maintained here. Thank you. And the school is surrounded with a good compound. We have parking in north side of our school.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
School buses, the vehicles of the staff, the cycles, what the students uses, everything will be parked there in a parking area. The way for the parking area.
Next.
Now we are going to see the chart displaying block A and block B. We have two blocks here in our school. Block A, this side, right to me. It has primary classes, office room, computer lab, etc., etc. We'll have a view of it. And block B with senior secondary block, which we have requested for the upgradation, and also few secondary classes. We'll see all those later. And this is the very main area which we are going to see now. This is the assembly area where everyone gathers by early hours from primary till secondary. Most of the successes are celebrated here. Awards distribution, prizes distribution, early hours articles, etc., etc. will be going on here. Our children likes this area a lot because they'll be waiting for their appraisals. All teachers, admin department, students love this event every morning, the assembly event, because the sunrise supports us a lot, and the things whatever happens here boosts them a lot for the further successes too. Come, let's go to the office room. This is block A. Now we have fire safety equipments provided for the safetyness. Come, let's go. Computer lab, and we have other things here in this part. let us see. Now we are getting into the office room. We have suggestion box too.
కంప్యూటర్ ల్యాబ్లో ఇవ్వండి కంప్యూటర్ ల్యాబ్లో ఇవ్వండి
This is computer lab. Let us get into the computer lab. We have enough set of computers. The children entertain and they get educated here in this lab. Each classes are allotted with computer periods to gain the technical knowledge so that they will be well equipped, well qualified, and we have support of our computer faculty, Mr. Rahmatullah here. He guides our students. Now let us get into the office room. We have fire extinguisher too.
పదండి సార్ లోపల పదండి మేడం
That is the principal's, honorable principal's chair, and we have all records here. These are the records of the committees what we maintain. Everything will be recorded. The minutes of all committees, everything will be recorded. Even the details of the committee members, the minutes, we get into all these details. And here we have the cabin for the clerk, and also we have a session here for the computer department. The CC cameras in the classes will be displayed here in the office room, and we have other set of things, but the classes runs in one block, so only that is getting displayed here. And the successes of Sri Raja High School can be viewed here. We have exhibited very few of the medals, and we have few this side too. The hard work of the students, teachers comes out here in the form of medals, shields, etc. Yes, come, let us go to our pre-primary sections. Nursery, KG, LKG. The very interesting classes of school. Even everyone enjoys these classes. The kids enjoy themselves and make us feel that we are still kids. This is a nursery room, as the students are not available.
ఓకే
And let us move into the other room. LKG room. Come, let us get into the room. We have different toys for entertainment. The slides here, the enjoys here, their tables and chairs. Due to this pandemic situation, we don't run these rooms yet. They will lock till now. The slide where they enjoy. And we have other KG room too. We display different charts so that they learn few things, colorful things, takes many things to the kids. So we display everything in very different color charts. They learn many things here. Let us go into the wellness room now.
ముందుకు వెళ్ళండి సార్
This is the wellness room. Where the teachers, relaxers, they prepare their plans, etc., etc. And we made this room too colorful. They place their resources, charts, whatever they prepared here, and uses them based on the necessity in the classrooms. Now let us go to girls' toilet. This is girls' boys' toilet.
పైన బోర్డు మేడం పోతారు.
We have enough number of partitions for primary classes. And also 2 separate rooms based on the necessity. Also provided with wash basin
నీళ్ళు వండి మేడం.
so that they can clean their hands, and also they have tissues to wipe their hands.
పైన కొంచెం ముందుకు వెళ్ళండి సార్, ముందుకు వెళ్ళండి సార్. నెక్స్ట్ డ్రింకింగ్
So it's well equipped with the necessary fire extinguishers also in the corridors. And now we see the Alvo unit of our Sri Raju High School. We have number of cans provided with drinking water.
ఓకే సార్, రైట్.
Every day these cans get cleaned and we store every day the fresh water. Now let us move to the first floor of Block A. We have a signboard showing way to floor 1 and 2.
ఇదిగో చూస్తాం ఫాస్ట్గా.
This is the first floor of Block A of Sri Raju High School. We have 2 wings here. This wing is with class 1 and 2 and also the sick room. This is class 1. It's locked because we don't run schools for those grades due to this pandemic situation.
అది క్లాస్
This is class 2. And now let us move into the sick room.
ఓకే.
Come, let's go. This is the sick room. We have enough cots for the children to take rest when they feel ill. And also we have necessary equipments as a part of first aid. We have cotton, gauze cloth, and ointment if they get any wound. Negosin powder, tincture, hydrogen peroxide, Dettol. Also we have few pills, paracetamol and Saridon tablets if they get any pains. So we have good set of first aid kit, and she is the person who takes care in the sick room. She takes care very loudly when children like her very much and they get well soon. Come now, let us go to the second floor of Block A of Sri Raju High School. Grade 3, A, B and C. Now let us go to the left wing of the first floor, Block A, Sri Raju High School. This is class 3A. And here this is class 3B. This is class 3B. And now it's class 4A. And here we have boys' toilet.
బండ్లో తగులుతుంది, స్పీడ్గా రానిచ్చారు. మీరు బండి ఇది ఓపెన్ చేసాను సార్ స్పీడ్గా. ఓకే థ్యాంక్స్ సార్
Here we have wash basin to clean the hands, and we have tissues to wipe our hands. Now let's go to second floor of block A of Sri Raji High School.
చేయించారు మేడం
This is way to the second floor. We have a signboard showing way to second floor. Let us go to second floor.
స్పీడ్
This is second floor of block A of Sri Raji High School.
Yep.
We have a signboard showing grade 4B, 5A and 5B. This is classroom of grade 4B. This is class of 5A. We don't use these class yet now due to the pandemic situation at Annavala at this point. And this is grade 5B. Now let us move to the other side of the same floor.
ముందుగా రండి సార్ మీరు ఇటు సైడ్ రండి సార్
Other side of the second floor of block A of Sri Raji High School. And here we have a signboard showing class 6A, 6B, 7A, and we have staff toilets here in this floor. Now let us go. This is 6A. This is 6B. And this is class 7A. And we have staff toilets here. Even secondary girls, senior secondary girls can use these washrooms because we have constructed accordingly. We have 5 different partitions here. We have an area here to wash their food, hands, etc. And also we have wash basin here outside to wash their hands and placed with the tissues to wipe their hands. Now we are back to the ground. This is block A in which we had a glance till now. We are back to the signboards.
షూర్ సార్
Now we'll move to block B. Before getting into block B, we'll have a glance of playground once here. The place which our learners
Sir, side
like
change, sir, side change,
a lot
Sir, side change.
is this, the playground. They enjoy playing here. The soil which got wet because of the sweat of the learners for playing tennis court. We have rings placed here. We have tennis courts here.
ఓకే
The children enjoys playing the games. Even from grade 3, they start playing tennis courts. They'll be waiting for their PET periods, and we have very good faculty, physical education trainers. He is Mr. Subbaya, one of our PET teacher. This is the throw ball and volleyball court, and we have balls. and we have very good players. This is our playground. You can see a full view of our playground. They enjoy playing here. They learn many games here. And the students of Sri Raju High School are fit because of the playground which is available here. And now let us move to block B. This is the way to block B, which we have already seen in our signboard. And now here we have a signboard showing sports room, grade 7B and grade 7C. The classes 7A and 7B, they enjoy a lot because they are very close to the sport room. And here we have water cans provided for this block. Usually the cans get cleaned regularly and we store regularly the water. This is sports room.
Malina.
This is sports room. And we have a fire extinguisher here. And this is 7B. And the last room of this wing is seven C. Come, let's get into the sports room to see the resources, materials or the different items what our children get to play, enjoy and explore. Come, let us get into the sports room. We have play balls, skipping ropes. We have shuttle bats and even forks, set of forks. Hurdles.
Okay, madam.
And also we have short put to see the strength of our students. And also a javelin stick. Also we have window base. Here displayed by chess boards, carrom boards, Braidovita, etc. To explore inside those, we can play inside. So we have supplied with indoor games too. Come, let's go to the other block of this wing. Showing physics lab, chemistry lab, biology lab and also staff room. First let's go into the staff room. This is the staff room. We have enough space for staff to get prepared. They gather their resources here, they prepare their resources here and even it is supported with AV session so that they can prepare from the video which can be downloaded and they have enough support with bureau to keep their records safely. And different racks to keep their books etc. A teacher relaxes here, they prepares well, they transfer the portable. This is a staff room and come let's go to the labs which are available in this block. We have fire extinguisher too.
Madam.
This is biology lab.
Sure, sir.
This is a biology lab.
Okay, sir.
We have very good equipments for the upgradation of senior secondary 2 and this is Mr. Srinivas now. He is a biology faculty and will take chance of
we have well equipment biology tools are there, and second thing we have 15 microscopes are there, and along with slides and those are there, again here heat closures are there, and slides are there here, specimens and slides are there, plants and animal kingdom like vertebrates and invertebrates. And second thing, example, suppose you are going to take as a, this is the coconut content of levels. This is called what we say in biological term, Cocos nucifera, scientific name. This is the monopod plant. The same thing here also there. Few are there, dicot and monopod roots tongue will be there. If you want to see that, suppose expanding content levels, you put in the microscope, it's there with the solutions are there, saffron and glycerin are there. You have to add it and you have to see that. You can easily identify for the clear content of the structures and all repairing very clearly. And next one is that these are the specimens are there. All the vertebrates and invertebrates, the specimens. Specimens, slides are there, concepts are there, concepts of class are there. And we have to that kidney structures and amoeba structures will be there. Along with the human being, the system also there. In the system is everyone also suppose that. And second thing is that biological science is the relation between the living and non-living components, biotic and abiotic components. Everyone uses daily life biological science principle. And second thing, everyone uses and everyday uses biological science. And second thing is that here three flowcharts are available in reproductive system of the human beings. And second thing here also that it is the type of anglers. Anglers, and this is all what we say is a invertebrates. And second thing is a final called oxen, these are organisms generally suppose. This is the scientific name of the earthworm. You know very well about that earthworm, what is the main use of earthworms means. We are going to use this composing of the vermi culture. The Western characteristic of the two and develop the culture content about vermi culture and development. So one is this is called as earthworm. This is flowcharts. Along with that, the microscopes are there, and these are some flowcharts are available. Main reproductive system. This is it. And there is the content of ours. These are flowcharts will be there. So, well equipment, everything is there in our lab suppose. And second thing is that the last time is we should wash the hands and all suppose. End of the complete the instruments everything. The dry and the water is there. This is our end of the complete experiment suppose. We have to wash the hands clearly every day.
Okay.
As already the biology faculty shared you, this is the biology lab. We have enough set of resources, flowcharts, specimens and also the model to gain the knowledge. Learners learn with the help of all these resources and they get supported for their further studies too, and also we maintain a stock register in our biology lab. This is a biology laboratory stock register. It is recorded with the resources which are available, and also it will be get recorded based on the usages etc. And now we close this biology lab session. Now let us move to the other lab. This is chemistry lab. Let us move into the chemistry lab. This is the chemistry lab, and here Mr. Ramesh Raju who takes over and he looks over the chemistry lab. He is the department head of chemistry. Now he will take chance of explaining you the available resources in this lab.
Myself, Ramesh Raju, chemistry faculty. This is chemistry lab in our school. Generally, chemistry means reactions to change the colors that we can identify easily through activities. So, very easily to understand the students. Here, number of equipments are there. Well, equipments are there in our school. So, this is test tubes. These are beakers, burettes, pipettes, test tube holders, water bottle, brushes, test tube holders, all number of acids are there. Here HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, number of acids are there available. The bases also is available. Here, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, number of bases are available, and also number of salts are there. Ammonium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, ammonium acetate. Number of salts are available, and organic compounds also is there. Benzene, phenol, aldehydes, ketones. Number of organic compounds are available here. We are maintaining in chemistry lab stock register also what we are arranged in our labs, all equipments. By using blackboard also we are explaining here the reactions, even charts. By balancing the equations we are explaining here very clear, easy to understand the students. So this is our chemistry lab in our school.
ఇట్లా చదివినా
Test tubes are washing purpose, they are arranged wash basins.
As already our chemistry faculty shared the necessary requirements, resources available in this chemistry lab. We have n number of acids, bases and salts available in our chemistry lab. And also, as we know, chemistry, the reactions etc. works with the help of fire, and we have supply of few burners here for testing. And also the necessary precautions taken by supplying the fire extinguisher too. So we have enough safety purposes. And now let us move to the other lab.
Okay.
Now let us move to the other lab. Here we have physics lab. Come, let us get into the physics lab. This is Mr. Rafi, physics department head, and we take chance to explain about the physics lab.
Namaskar. Myself Syed Rafi, working as physics faculty here. This is our lab. There are a number of equipments are there, but requirement for the student level of till 10+2 level. There is a stock register pertaining to equipment. Here I am going to describe the things what are there here. So here, transistor characteristics operators, so battery eliminators, meter bridge, meter bridge, meters, galvanometers, so Ohm's law verification kit, Ohm's law verification kit, rheostat, tangent galvanometer, moving coil galvanometer, PN junction, and semiconductor diode characteristic operators. These are all pertaining to electrical circuit experiments. So here, boards, pins, prism, screens, light sources of light, and lenses and mirrors and V-stands. These are all pertaining to optical, electrical circuits and instruments. Here, I am going to describe the things. Here, boards, magnetic bars, so AC DC generator, tangent galvanometer, electric bell. These are all pertaining to magnetism and electromagnetic experiments. Here. This way. Here, vernier calipers, screw gauges, vernier calipers, screw gauge. So next the balance, physical balance, weighing boxes, weighing material boxes. So material boxes. So here weights are there. Retard stand and top clamps. So rubber cork, bobs, next board, so weighs and springs pertaining to verification of vector loss, simple pendulum and spring constant experiments. These are all equipment arrangement here. Next, here, traveling microscope. This is traveling microscope. So next, calorimeter experiments. These are all pertaining to calorimeters and surface tension experiments. Convections apparatus for gases. 33 of gases will count that one. So here tuning forks, rubber hammer, next resonance apparatus. These are all belonging to sound and heat and other experiments in our laboratory. Thank you very much.
Yes, already our physics faculty has shared you the availabilities, resources, items here in our physics lab. And also we have spare parts what we have already displayed there here in the rods, so that multiple students can use those and get explored. The same resources, equipments what we have seen it now, we have extra number of same equipments. And also, as our physics faculty told, we have physics laboratory stock register which has the content of the available equipments, resources in this lab, and also we maintain the stock register based on the usages. Also, here we have provided a water facility to wash their hands soon after they complete their activities. And also to clean the equipment what are used here. This is our physics lab. Now sanitizer stand for the students who move into this block because classes run here, and we have a sign showing where to first floor. Now we are going to first floor of block B, which we have seen at the block B. We have classes running here in this block for grade 8, 9 and 10. We have classes running for 7, 8 here in this block. And we have a sign showing class 8A, class 8B and class 8C. Now let us move into this before first floor of Sri Rajas High School block B. This is class 8A. This is class 8B. And this is class 8C. We have classes running for grade 8. Now let us move to the other wing of the same floor. Floor 1 of block B of Sri Raju High School. Auditorium and library, the interesting parts of the block B. Now let us get into auditorium. This is the auditorium. Many gatherings held here. Children enjoy this area. They come out with their talents, dances, singing, prize distribution, etc. happens here. Now let us move to library. This is library. sufficient number of books to get explored. We have story books for kids to enjoy reading those, and also subject-wise books available to enrich their knowledge, to develop themselves, to enhance themselves. We have divided these books based on the subjects available, and this is we are the block of mathematics where our principal is going on. We have books written by many authors so that the view of same concept can be known in different views, and also we have available with the different types of story books to get themselves enjoyed with the moral values, and also we have other side with n number of books. We have books available here for the primary section students. They enjoy reading these books. They enjoy the pictorial representations which have been printed in these books, and also they feel that they have discovered the things what their teacher has taught them in different books. They come share with their teachers and have seen the thing what you have taught in that book too. And also to develop our language, we have our language books. Telugu story books, and we have enough space here for the learners to sit, read and enjoy. Librarian ma'am here who takes care of the library books, and also we maintain a register here, the stock register of our library books. We have recorded the number of books available and also the names of the books, and also for the reader's purpose we have also written the authors who have written those books. As this is our library, they learn many things here. This is our library. Yes, come, let us go to the senior secondary block, the second floor of block B of Sri Raju High School, the one which we have requested for the upgradation of our school. We are going to second floor of block B, and we have a sign showing second floor. Yes, we are getting into the senior secondary block of Sri Raju High School, for which we have requested for the upgradation. This is the senior secondary block. And here we have a sign showing mathematics lab, senior secondary room 1, 2 and 3. Now let us get into the mathematics lab. This is a mathematics lab. And Mr. Venugopal, who deals mathematics subjects and is the department head, he explains you the availabilities and resources available in this mathematics lab.
Good morning. These are the mensuration tools. This is the one of the phone. Normally, after the teaching of theory part, we use the math lab activities. These are all the mensuration tools. This is one of the tool. This is one of the solid. This solid is a cylinder. Okay, now cylinder shape. This one is the cuboid. This one is cuboid. This one is a triangular prism. This is one of the triangular prism. This one is the cube. This one is the cube. This is the one of the geometrical box. These are the section grade 9 and 10th classes. These are the students' activities. Subtraction, numbers, less than, and suppose this one is the moving the downward. 20 minus 7. This one is the 13. This one is the 20 minus. Suppose this one is. This is one of the activity. 20 minus 0 is equal to 20. This is subtraction activity. These are the geometrical. These are the geometrical kits. This is one of the compass. Normally used constructions in geometry. This is the divider, set squares. These are the set squares based on parallel lines. Normally using parallel lines and perpendicular lines. This is the kind of activities. This is one of the ruler to measure length and breadth.
As already our physics faculty shared you the available resources. Also we have few charts and activities displayed for our primary class students to get knowledge of all those, and flashcards of numbers with few addition operations and subtraction operations, as they will be playing with 7 plus 3 in the sense which gives 10. So they learn by playing. Even our primary students enjoy mathematics lab as they can explore few things. Also we have availability with few charts, the shapes where they come across, and also the mathematical symbols etc., and also the units which we come across, which are the major things what we have to learn in mathematics.
సార్ బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోండి సార్.
This is our math lab with necessary charts and resources available. And senior secondary room 2 and 3 is also available in this floor. Senior secondary room 2. Come, let's go into this room.
పదండి సార్.
We have enough space for the students
సైడ్ సార్.
to place themselves. This is senior secondary room 2. The senior secondary room 1 and 2, 3. We have the senior secondary room 3.
మేడం.
This is senior secondary room 3. As we also came across senior secondary room 3, we came across fire extinguishers etc., and here we have the water pipe as a part of safety and security. We have this in our school. It's well equipped and connected with the overhead tank. So in class 9A and 9B, this is class 9A. Now let us go to 9B.
పదండి సార్, మీరు ముందుకు వెళ్ళండి.
This is 9B. So this is the senior secondary block for which upgradation is requested for. The complete block is for senior secondary with mathematics lab available here. This is the aerial view of Sri Raju High School. That is block A, which we came across at the beginning of our video. This is the assembly area which we have seen already, and also the parking corner, and also we came across with the tennis courts and volleyball courts. The Hanumanji temple, which we have already told at the beginning of the video. The south side of our school is with Hanumanji, with his lots of blessings. For fire extinguisher, what we have seen down, the supply of water from the overhead tank is going on from this pipe. And now we are towards the west side of, we have playground available. Coco court is ready there. West side which takes to Madanapalli. This is the north side of our school. At the beginning we have seen a road and I described that the road takes us into the town Rayachoti, and this is the town. This is the compound of our school. It's well protected from all four sides. And we are now going to see the other part of our ground. We are in the other part of the school. It's completely bounded. And we are safe here. The four sides of the school is bounded strongly. And the other ground is available here. We have Coco court here. Children like playing here. We are at the backyard of the school. We can see the classrooms here. The one which we have seen, it's block B. This is our backyard with Coco court. Children like playing here. Thank you.